Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate a loan to a car in the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Carlist.my app. And you have to select a car, what you like. So let's say you like this one. Next to the price you can see a calculator icon. If you tap on it, here it writes the car price, and you have a deposit amount. You have to select the repayment period. Let's say that you are paying in 5 years, and the interest rate. And if you scroll down, here you can see the monthly installment price. So this calculator is just a guide. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.